Renovated and restored 3-bedroom Victorian with lake views and a basement apartment. Hi, I'm Tracy Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group. Welcome to our new listing at 52 Springhurst Avenue. Let's go inside and take a look. When you first walk into this beautiful home, you'll notice that you have lots of space for coats and sweaters, as well as this beautiful slate tile in a herringbone pattern. This elegant yet comfortable living room dining room features hardwood floors, exposed brick, soaring ceilings, and this stunning gas fireplace. The hardwood floors and exposed brick continue into this thoughtfully renovated kitchen. We have a seating area, 2 bright windows, stainless steel appliances, and a walkout to the backyard. This low-maintenance hardscape backyard is perfect for entertaining, and there's no grass to cut. It also features parking beyond the fence. When you first walk up to the 2nd floor, you'll notice this comfortable family room. Originally, this was the 4th bedroom and could easily be converted back. We've got the exposed brick up here again, as well as 2 bright windows. This renovated 2nd floor bathroom features heated floors, Carrara marble, and a deep soaker tub. This master bedroom on the 2nd floor again features the hardwood floors and the exposed brick, and it also walks out to a treetop balcony with views of the lake. The 3rd floor features 2 additional bedrooms, lake views, bright windows, full height ceilings, as well as the original pine plank floors. This adorable basement apartment has its own separate entrance. It's been recently renovated and has heated floors. The current tenant pays just under $1,200 a month, which would cover approximately $300,000 of your mortgage. It's a great option to have. This location is amazing. We're a short walk to Queen Street, Liberty Village, the lake, and quick access to downtown and the highway. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 52 Springhurst Avenue. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.